Hello everyone, and welcome back to Blockchain Minute. This is your host Shabor, and today I will show you how to back up your Spectre security coin wallet. So let's get started. First off, you want to go into your settings, click on Show Auto Backups, and as you can see here, there's a few auto-generated backups. I prefer to make my own, so let's just go up one folder, copy wallet.dat file, go in your USB stick. I recommend using a USB stick. So let's come here. From here you want to paste your wallet.dat file and you want to rename it. So Spectre.dat. You can rename it to whatever you want. I recommend to use the name of the coin, else you might forget what coin it is if you have multiple backups later on. Alright, so that's how you back up your wallet. Now let's demonstrate how to recover your coins. So let's just close the wallet. First of all, as you can see here, I have 5 coins. Let's delete the wallet.dat file. And let's generate a new one by launching the wallet. Now, as you can see here, I don't have any coins anymore. So now I'm going to show you how to recover your coins. So first of all, you want to close your wallet. You want to go back to your USB stick and copy the file here. You want to go back into your Spectre Coin folder here and delete the wallet.dat file and paste your backup file and rename it to simply wallet.dat. From here, relaunch the wallet and your coins will be recovered. And as you can see here, I've recovered all my 5 coins, and that's how you back up your wallet. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a dislike. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.